Naebi the Great. Here is my mixtape of my life. When I want something so bad, I work so hard day to day. I spend my own money. I try so hard. There's no way but up. I was destined for greatness because God made me. I am a melody born in April, just trying to get my beat across for people just to understand me. Naebi is Swahili for melody. I am a melody born in April, just for people to be able to follow my melody. If there is no music, I do not exist. If there is no sound, I am not born. My life is a mixtape, from the day-to-day grind of being a music producer, studio sessions, passing out flyers, working at radio stations, interning, radio shows, just perfecting my craft. I want the glory. I want the fame. I just want to be successful.